he really wants to focus on the F in the FDA, just like the RFK Jr. Uh, he has concerns about research integrity. So one of his quotes was, recently, Dr. John Carlisle examined 500 clinical trials and found that a whopping 44% of them contained false data. So this signals potential scrutiny on data quality in NIH and FDA submissions. And the majority of that was in academic medical research. And specifically in the early stage, like at the AMC level, there was an article way before all this happened, a year ago, where I actually did a video on academia's not without its own data integrity issues. Macri wants FDA reforms, so his critique of groupthink aligns with his push to remove, this is an interesting snippet from it, remove pharma from FDA AdCom meetings and explore environmental factors like food and research. So once a drug company submits an NDA, uh, once a drug company submits an NDA for approval, the NDA gets accepted, and then they will usually request prior to approval or prior to a complete response letter, they'll request these AdCom meetings, and the idea is to discuss with patient advocates, with support groups, with professionals, and a lot of what he discovered, and something that we didn't really talk about, was pharmaceutical companies had their own members on these AdCom meetings, and in his words from this podcast, they were not. There's nothing wrong with being friendly between pharma and regulators, but to not be on the AdCom meeting. So you can be friendly, but let's remove them from the AdCom meetings. And I actually think maybe that's a good thing. I would like to ask Darshan his opinion on that.